Welcome to CET Review, and for this video, discuss natin ang age problems. Okay, so mag-start muna tayo sa medyo simpleng problem muna. Maria is twice as old as her sister Linda. If Linda is 8 years old, how old is Maria? First thing that we have to do, mag-assign tayo ng variables. Let us assume M as Maria's age, tapos yung L is Linda's age. Ang sabi, Maria, right here, Maria is twice as old as her sister Linda. Makakabuo tayo ng equation dyan. Gamit tong variables, M and L. So again, Maria, which is M, is twice as old as her sister Linda. M is equal to 2 times L. And then meron tayong given dito. If Linda is 8 years old, so given sa atin is L equals 8. Okay? So kahit diretso nyo ng substitute. Therefore, M is equal to 2 times 8. And 2 times 8 is 16 years old. Ito yung tanong dito eh. How old is Maria? So, ayan. Maria is 16 years old. The answer is option C. So, medyo madali lang to. Ngayon, try natin mag-follow-up question. Linda will be 2/3 as old as Maria after how many years? Ang kailangan natin dito ay yung amount of years. So, let X be the number of years na kailangan natin. Ang explanation dito, after some time or after X years, yung age ni Linda will be 2/3 as Maria. We can also form an equation. Linda, after X years, will be 2/3 as old as Maria. Now, at this point, after X years, mag-iiba na yung age nila. Kung si Maria dito ay 16 years old currently, after X years, si Maria ay 16 plus X. Tapos si Linda naman, currently si Linda ay 8 years old. After X years, ang edad niya ay 8 plus X. So, isa-substitute natin tong M and L values dito. Okay? Let's proceed. L is 8 plus X equals 2/3 times M. M is 16 plus X. Alisin natin yung denominator by multiplying both sides by 3. Cancel to. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times X is 3X is equal to, ito 2 times 16 is 32. And 2 times X is 2X. Solve for X. Itong si 2X transpose sa kabila gawing negative. Pati rin si 24 transpose sa kabila gawing negative. Therefore, 3X minus 2X equals 32 minus 24. Proceed tayo dito. 3X minus 2X is X, while 32 minus 24 is 8. So, ito yung sagot. Ayan yung kailangan natin eh. Yung number of years. The answer is option D. Ibig sabihin yan, after 8 years, yung age ni Linda is 2/3 ng age ni Maria. Next, we have this problem. The sum of the ages of a father and his son is 50 years. The father is 20 years older than the son. How old is the father right now? Okay, so first, mag-assign tayo ng variables. Let's say the age of the son or the son's age is X. At dahil ang age ng son ay X at ang sabi the father is 20 years older, it means father age is X plus 20. Ngayon, another given is the sum right here of the ages of father and son is 50 years. So pag-add lang natin, the son's age which is X plus the father's age which is X plus 20 is equal to 50. Ngayon, solve for X. And yung parenthesis, pwede natin burahin yan. Hindi naman kailangan yan eh. Now we can solve for X. Una, combine natin to. X plus X is 2X. Copy the rest. Tapos transpose natin si 20 sa kabila. Magiging negative yan. So 50 minus 20. 50 minus 20 is 30. Tapos if we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the value of x is 15. Check muna natin kung ayan ba yung kailangan natin. The question says, how old is the father? At yung value ng x, ayan yung age ng son. So hindi pa yan yung ating final answer. We should add 20 para makuha yung age ng tatay. So the father's age is, so let's say f is equal to x plus 20. Or idiretso na natin. The value of x is 15. So 15 plus 20, which is 35. Therefore, the answer is option C. Next, the sum of the ages of John, Joseph, and Jack is 71 years. John is 6 years older than Joseph, while Joseph is twice as old as Jack. The question says, how old is John? Meron tayong tatlong characters dito. Una, mag-start tayo kay Jack. So, let's say Jack, mag-assign tayo ng variable. The age of Jack is X, let's say. And if X is the age of Jack, ano naman ang age ni Joseph? Meron tayong given condition. Ang sabi, Joseph is twice as old as Jack. So Joseph is equal to 2 times X. Kasi X yung age ni Jack. Okay? How about John? May condition ulit tayo dyan. Ang sabi, John is 6 years older than Joseph. So if Joseph is 2X, well, John is 2X plus 6. Kasi nga 6 years older. So, kompleto na. Meron na tayong expressions for the ages of Jack, Joseph, and John. Ngayon, the final condition given here is, ang sabi, kapag pinag-add natin lahat ng ages ng tatlong tao na to, John, Joseph, and Jack, we get 71 years. So, try natin. Pag-plus natin lahat. Jack is X, plus Joseph is 2X, plus John is 2X plus 6. And they should sum up to 71. And we have to solve for X. Okay? So, combine natin yung like terms. 2x plus 2x is 4x. And 4x plus x is 5x. So, 5x yan. And then, itong 6 transpose sa kabila, magiging minus. 71 minus 6. And 71 minus 6 is 65. Divide natin both sides by 5. We get x is equal to 65 divided by 5 is 13. So, itong x, yung 13, ayan yung age ni Jack. Ang kailangan natin ay yung age ni John. Ngayon, madali lang yan. The age of John is 2x plus 6 right here. Substitute lang natin yung value ng x na nakuha natin. So, 2 times x, x is 13 plus 6. 2 times 13 is 26. And 26 plus 6 is 32. So, 32 years old na daw si John. The answer is option B. Next problem. Carmen is 12 years older than David. Now, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. How old is David now? Okay. May mga instances na ganito na mas maganda kung gagamit kayo ng table para iwas lito. Paanong table? Let me show you how. So ayan, meron tayong 2 by 2 table. Dito si Carmen, and we will use the variable C for Carmen while we will use D for David. Ngayon, we have this current age right here sa may column na to. The problem is, hindi pa natin alam yung current ages nila. Pero meron namang clue. Ang sabi, Carmen is 12 years older than David. So, if David is, let's say, D, ayan yung kailangan natin eh. How old is David now? Well, Carmen is 12 plus D. Tama? Kasi 12 years ang tanda niya kay David. Now, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. So, bago tayo pumunta dyan, kailangan natin kunin yung edad nila 5 years ago. So, kung si David ay D years old ngayon, 5 years ago, D minus 5 siya. Tapos, kung si Carmen right now is 12 plus D, 5 years ago, ano yan? 12 plus D and then minus 5. Tapos, pag pinag-combine mo to, 12 minus 5, that's 7. Okay, so 7 plus D. Now, we can proceed here. 5 years ago, so ito yung gagamitin nating column. The sum of their ages was 28. Pag pinag-plus mo to itong dalawa na to, dapat 28. 7 plus D plus D minus 5 is equal to 28. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So 2 plus, and then D plus D is 2D equals 28. Transpose 2 to the other side. 2D is equal to 28 and then minus 2. 28 minus 2 is equal to 26. Divide natin both sides by 2. We should get D is equal to 13 years old. So, ito na yung ating answer kasi ang kailangan naman natin ay yung age ni David. The answer is option A. Next problem. 5 years ago, a mother was 3 times as old as her daughter. In 5 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. How old is the daughter now? Okay. Dito sa problem na to, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayong 3 different timelines. 5 years ago, currently, and in 5 years in the future or after 5 years. Compare sa may previous problem, yung kay Carmen saka yung kay David, dalawa lang ang timeline doon. Dito tatlo. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng table with 3 columns. But first of all, mag-assign tayo ng variables. Let's say the daughter's present age is X while the mother's present age is Y. And let's say ito yung ating nagawang table. Meron tayong tatlong columns for 5 years ago, for the present time or right now, and in 5 years or after 5 years. Okay. So, right now, ito yung present ages nila. Si mother, ang age niya ay Y, presently. Tapos si daughter naman, ang age niya ay X. So, sulat natin dito. X for daughter. 5 years ago, mag-subtract lang tayo ng 5. Kung si mother right now ay Y years old, 5 years ago, Y minus 5 siya, right? Tapos si daughter naman, kung X years old siya right now, 5 years ago, she was X minus 5 years old. Tapos, in 5 years, kung si mother ay Y years old, in 5 years, Y plus 5 na yan. Si daughter din, X plus 5. Next, punta tayo sa dalawang conditions. Mag-start tayo kay 5 years ago. Ang sabi, 5 years ago, the mother was 3 times as old as her daughter. So, ito yon. 5 years ago, ang age ni mother ay Y minus 5. So, mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. Ang age naman ni daughter 5 years ago ay X minus 5. Simplify natin tong equation. Y minus 5 is equal to 3 times X, 3X, minus 3 times 5 is 15. Transpose negative 5 sa kabila, gawing positive. Y equals 3X minus 15 and then plus 5. Tapos negative 15 plus 5 is negative 10. Y equals 3X minus 10. Next, move forward naman tayo sa may another timeline which is after 5 years. So for after 5 years, we will consider this column. Ang age ni mother at the time is Y plus 5, si daughter naman X plus 5. At ang condition, in 5 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. So the mother, Y plus 5, will be twice as old as her daughter, X plus 5. And then simplify. Y plus 5 is equal to 2X and then 2 times 5 is 10. Ito, magiging minus yan. Tapos 10, and then minus 5, that's 5. Y equals 2x plus 5. At kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong dalawang equations in terms of y. Ito, saka to. So, alam naman natin na y is equal to y. Substitute lang natin. 3x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay? 3x minus 10 equals 2x plus 5. Copyin ko lang to. So, 3x minus 10 equals 2x plus 5. Solve for x tayo. 2x transpose. Kaya meron tayong 3x minus 2x. Tapos si negative 10, magiging positive 10 yan. So, 5 plus 10. 3x minus 2x is x, while 5 plus 10 is 15. The value of x is 15. At yan ba yung kailangan natin? Daughter's present age is x. So, ayan nga. How old is the daughter now? So, yan. 15 years old. Yung age ni daughter right now.